I'm James Neville Taylor with the Builderall team. In this video we're going to go over capturing leads on your website. Using Builderall's website builder and mailing boss, you can easily capture leads and have them updated into your mailing boss list in seconds. Usually when you capture someone's email on a website, you're going to give them a lead magnet, a free gift of some sort, to get them to enter their name and email. Sometimes it can be a webinar or some other sort of free gift or value. So the first thing you need to do before you set up your email form on your website is save. If you don't save first, then you won't be able to set up your email form. Save in the top right, enter the name of your new website, and then click save. And then once it's saved, you'll be able to start configuring your email form. So if you want to add a new form, come into the Add Elements tab here, and then scroll down to Email Marketing Form. Select the form that you want to add and click on it, and it will appear on the page. But since we already have one, I'm going to delete this one and configure this one. To configure, you need to right click and click Configure. Then you need to choose Mailing Boss. And you notice you can integrate all sorts of other email autoresponders as well. So click Mailing Boss and then select the list that you want your leads to be added to. So I'm going to click New Training List, and then we're going to see the email and the first name, because they're the two fields that I've got for that specific list. And now you've got that set up, you need to change where your users get redirected to after they've logged in. So right click and come to Change URL. And then you've got three options for redirection. Pending subscribe is for when you're using double opt-in. When someone puts in their email and their first name, they'll be taken to this page and directed to click the link in the email that's been sent to them to have their subscription confirmed. Now once they've clicked this link, they'll be redirected to the subscription confirmed page. This is where you'd put your lead magnet or confirmation for your webinar. And then the third option is the unsubscribe confirmation. When someone has unsubscribed from your list, they'll be sent to this page here. You can use this to remind someone of why they subscribed in the first place, or to something like a survey. You can get some feedback from your subscribers when they unsubscribe. Once you've set all that up and you hit confirm, all you need to do is hit save again and save your form, and that's going to be all saved for you. So on the live version, when someone puts their email and first name in, if you have double opt-in, they're going to be sent to the pending subscribe page, and if you've got single opt-in, they'll be sent to the subscription confirmed page. So in this video we went over how to capture leads on your website.